Hello everyone, this is Professor Jagdish Pimple from NIT Nagpur. I request you to kindly like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon so that you will get the live update notification about the channel. Thank you. Okay, so hello everyone. In the previous video, we have already seen about the function, or we can say the operation performed on the stack, that is push and pop operation. We have also implemented the function for push and pop operation. We have gone through the algorithms as well as implementation of the function. Similarly, we have already seen what are the different types of application of stack. In application of stack, it is one of the most important application of stack is expression conversion that I have already explained. And that application we are going to see in depth. Okay, so basically talking about the expression conversion before starting with directly with the expression conversion. First of all, we need to know about the expression. As we already know, as being an engineering student, we know the expression because still from first semester to till in mathematics, you have to solve different expressions. You have already executed lot many numericals. You have already solved lot many numericals. I know. Okay. So talking about the expression is defined as it is nothing but it is a collection, or we can say it is a combination of operators and operands. Talking about any sort of expression, if we're talking about the expression, so if we define the expression, or if we write the definition for expression is, like expression is defined as it is a combination of operator and operands, or on the screen is written as an expression is a combination of operator, constant and variable. An expression may consist of one more operands and zero or more operators to produce a value. It means that in a one particular expression, there is a number of operands, and number of operators are there. In case of operands, you can say it may be a variable or it may be a constant value. If we define an operator and operand, then how you can say what do you mean by operator and what do you mean by operand? Suppose here is an example. If आप एक example दिया हुआ है here, suppose A is equal to B plus C into B plus A plus B into C. Now this particular expression is having set of some sort of variables and some sort of operators. Instead of A, B, C, you can have a constant value also. Suppose if I return 3 plus 5 into 2. It means that 3, 5 and 2, these are the constant values. But here in this expression, you have written A plus B into C. So instead of putting the constant value, we are taking a value in the form of variable. So A, B, C are the variable name. So in general, in short, we can say the expression is defined as it is the combination of operator and operands. Combination of operands and operator. Now, if we define operands and operator, अगर मैं operator को define करता हूँ, how we can define operator? So operator are nothing. Operator are nothing. They are on which the operation is to be performed, means known as an operator. So operator are nothing but the operation is to be performed is known as an operator. Suppose plus, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus, exponential, increment, decrement, not many operators are there. So what they are going to do? They are performing the operation. They are performing the operation. That's why we can say operator. जो operate करता है. Suppose if we say addition operator, plus operator. So what is the job profile of plus, or how plus will perform? plus we perform the addition of two numbers. Suppose if there is an increment operator, so what increment of operator will do? Increment operator will increase or increment the value of a particular variable by 1. So it means that when we can say expression is a collection of operator and operate, it means operator is defined as on which the operator is defined as the which type of operation is to be performed. That is a operator. ऑपरेटर क्या बताता है कि हमें कौन सा ऑपरेशन परफॉर्म करना है. ऑपरेटर व्हाट टेल्स द कंपाइलर, इट विल से, इट विल आस्क व्हाट टाइप ऑफ ऑपरेशन, कौन से टाइप का ऑपरेशन परफॉर्म करना है, वेदर प्लस है, माइनस है, मल्टीप्लिकेशन है, डिवीजन है, मॉड्यूलस है, व्हाटएवर. Whereas if we say operand, because expression is combination of operator and operands, a plus b into c divided by d, so plus minus c divide, whatever, plus minus divide, so these are the operator. Plus बताता है addition करना है, minus बताता है subtraction करना है, division, right? Now operand, so operand को अगर define करना है, how we are going to define the operands on which the operation is to be performed is known as a operand. किसके ऊपर ऑपरेशन परफॉर्म करना है ये हमें कौन बताता है, ये हमें ऑपरेंड्स बताता है. So now here in this example, so A, B and C, तो ये जो A है, this one is B and this one is C. So all these are the operands. ये सारे क्या है, ये सारे operands है, ये सारे operands है, operands है. Whereas the plus and multiplication, so these are the operator. ये क्या है, operators. So in this particular example, how many operands and operators are there? A plus B into C. So in this expression there are two operators, plus and into, and three operands A, B and C. So expression is nothing but a collection, or we can say combination of operator and operand. So where operator is defined as which type of operation is to be performed is known as a operator, whereas operand is defined as on which the operation is to be performed, that means operand. कौन सा ऑपरेशन करना है ये हमें ऑपरेटर बताता है, ऑपरेशन किसके ऊपर परफॉर्म करना है ये ऑपरेंड्स बताते हैं. Hope everybody got it. Okay, now we'll see next the types of expression. If we define the types of expression, if you see the types of expression, there are mainly three different types of expression. Three types of expressions are there. The first one is infix expression. The very first one is infix expression. Second one is prefix expression, and third one is postfix expression. Infix, prefix, and postfix expression. So basically, what it means: infix, prefix, and postfix expression. Basically, we will see what is infix, prefix, and postfix expression. Not talking about the infix expression. Infix expression or infix notation. So infix expression is an expression in which operator placed in between the operand, that means infix expression. The expression in which operator placed in between the operands, that means the infix expression. It means that ऑपरेटर बीच में रहेगा, ऑपरेंड्स उसके साइड्स में रहेंगे. इट मींस दैट द infix in means in the middle. So for example, suppose if we have a minus b plus c, a minus b plus c, देखिए माइनस प्लस ऑपरेटर के बीच में है. infix का मतलब होता है, फॉर एग्जांपल यू हैव written a plus b, a plus b. So plus is in between the two operands a and b. It means that you have to perform plus operation on A and B. That means suppose A plus B, this is the infix expression. How you can say this is infix expression? Because your plus operator is placed in between two operands, that means A and B. ये जो ऑपरेंड के बीच में प्लस infix ऑपरेटर ऑलवेज इन बिटवीन द ऑपरेंड्स. ऑपरेटर हमेशा बीच में रहता है, उसके ऑपरेंड्स उसके आजू बाजू में रहता है. दैट मींस infix expression. In मतलब ऑपरेटर ऑलवेज इन बिटवीन. Got it? That means infix expression. Whereas prefix notation or prefix expression, if we define a prefix expression, prefix, that means operator पहले आएंगे, operand उसके बाद में आएंगे. That means the prefix notation. Operator placed before the operands is known as a prefix expression. Operator placed before the operands. Operator पहले आएगा, operand उसके बाद में आएंगे. So for example, this is your a plus b is the infix expression. अगर मुझे इसका कन्वर्जन करना है प्रीफिक्स में, so how you can write a plus b का मैं प्रीफिक्स कैसे लिखूंगा? How you are going to convert your infix expression into prefix expression? A plus b का अगर मुझे प्रीफिक्स लिखना है, so how you are going to write prefix notation for a plus b? So always in prefix notation, operator पहले आएंगे, ऑपरेंड उसके बाद में आएंगे. दैट मींस a plus b का आप कैसे लिखोगे? ऑपरेटर क्या है? प्लस है, तो प्लस आप पहले लिखोगे. देयर इज अ प्लस. एंड व्हाट आर द ऑपरेटर्स और व्हाट आर द ऑपरेंड्स? ऑपरेंड्स आर a एंड b. तो नाउ इसका आंसर क्या आएगा? प्लस a b. तो a प्लस b का अगर आपको प्रीफिक्स निकालना है, तो a प्लस b का प्रीफिक्स क्या लिखोगे? प्लस a b. So it means that operator appeared before the operands. Operator आपका पहले आएगा, बाद में आपके operands आते हैं. Got it? That is the prefix expression, or you can say prefix notation. Your prefix notation, it is also called as a Polish notation. Many times confuse करने के लिए someone can ask you define Polish notation. Someone can ask you in the Viva voice question, what do you mean by Polish notation? So Polish notation is nothing but your prefix notation where operator placed before the operands. So how you can remember? Infix operator बीच में, prefix operator पहले. After that, the next one is postfix notation. So basically, what is this? Postfix notation. Post मतलब आखिरी. So how you are going to define a postfix notation? So postfix notation is defined as the operator placed after the operands. Operator को हम लोग कहाँ लिखते हैं? Operands के बाद में लिखते हैं. That means पहले operands आएंगे, उसके बाद उसका operator आएगा. That means suppose if you have a plus b, suppose a plus b आपको infix में दिया हुआ है, how you are going to convert a plus b into postfix? So you already know postfix में क्या होता है कि ऑपरेंड पहले आते हैं और उसके बाद उसके ऑपरेटर आते हैं. That means a plus b का आप अगर postfix निकालना है तो आप कैसे लिखोगे? You have to write an operand first. ऑपरेंड क्या है? a है और b है. एंड ऑपरेटर कौन सा है? प्लस है, तो प्लस आप क्या लिखोगे? बाद में लिखोगे. राइट गाइस? दैट मींस ये a plus b का जो infix है उसका आपने प्रीफिक्स निकाला. दैट प्रीफिक्स इज ab plus. I will revise once again. Infix notation means operator in between the two operands. Operator बीच में आएगा, operands उसके आजू बाजू में आएंगे. ठीक है? That means the infix notation. Prefix मतलब operator पहले आएगा, operand उसके बाद में आएंगे. That means operator placed before the operands. That means the prefix notation. Whereas postfix notation, if you define a postfix notation, so operands before the operator, or you can say operator placed after the operand. That means पहले operand आते हैं, उसके बाद उसका operator आता है. That means a postfix notation. And prefix notation, it is also called as a Polish notation, and postfix notation is also called as a reverse of Polish notation. Reverse of Polish notation. So these are the different types of expression: infix, prefix, and postfix expression. You can say infix notation, prefix notation, and postfix notation. Now, so whenever we are working on infix, prefix, and postfix notation, or we can say infix, prefix, and postfix expression. Every time you have to think on the precedence of operator. It's a very important point. Very important point. So whenever you are going to convert the expression, so which type of questions will be asked in the university examination? The question will be like, suppose the expression is given in infix form. Expression is given in infix form. For example, a plus b into c divided by d minus f. The expression is likewise. And you will ask to convert the given expression into its equivalent prefix expression and postfix expression. आपको infix में expression दिया हुआ है. You have to convert it into prefix and postfix expression. So while here आपको evaluate करने के लिए नहीं बोला है. These are the two different things. Evaluation means you have to solve it. आपको solve करके you have to get a final number or final figure you get. That is the evaluation. Suppose a plus b minus c into d divided by f. Suppose a is 1, b is 2, c is 3, 4, d is 5 likewise. Or simply you can say 2 plus 3 minus 5 divided by 9 plus 10. The expression is given likewise. And if you will ask to evaluate the expression, it means that you have to solve. And you will get a final figure. You will get a final results. But if you will ask for conversion means just you have to convert the expression. Infix में दिया हुआ, you need to find out its prefix form, you need to find out its postfix form. That is a conversion. You don't have to evaluate it, just you have to perform the conversion. For example, suppose in this example, just I have given a plus b. Suppose a plus b is given to you, and if I ask you convert a plus b into prefix and into postfix, so a plus b का prefix निकालना है, postfix निकालना है, तो you already know. So a plus b अगर है, तो a plus b का prefix निकालना है, तो मैं plus को सामने लेकर आ जाऊँ और उसके ऑपरेंड्स उसके बाद में लिखूँ. a plus b का prefix क्या आता है? a plus b का prefix आता है, that is this one. A plus b prefix is this one plus a b. And suppose if you will ask to convert an infix expression to postfix, and which का postfix में convert करना है, so how you will write a plus b का postfix कैसे लिखते हो? ab plus लिखते हो, पहले ऑपरेंड्स उसके बाद उसका ऑपरेटर, like this. Now, so while you are going to convert the expression, while you are doing the conversion, जब भी हम लोग conversion की बात करते हैं, so you have to concentrate on precedence of operator. How we are going to perform the conversion and which operator we need to choose first, because the particular expression is not having a single operator. अगर expression है तो एक बड़ा expression आपको मिलेगा. Obviously, a plus b it is also expression, but in exam you will not given a very short example like a plus b को convert करने के लिए तो नहीं बोला जाएगा. You will get a long example. You will get a long expression like a plus b into c divided by d plus f. So the expression will be asked in the examination will be containing more than one operator. इसमें more than one operator. So जब more than one operators आते हैं, so which operator we need to select first? It will be totally depend on the operation, or we can say the precedence of operator, or we can say the priority of operator, because every operator is having the different priority. Every operator is having the different priority. Just I have told you, suppose if we have a expression a plus b minus c into d divided by f. So in this particular expression, we'll be having plus, minus, division, multiplication. So plus, minus, multiplication, division is the first operation. Which operator we have to choose first? Whether you want to take a division, whether you want to take a multiplication, whether you want to take addition, whether you want to take a subtraction. So it is totally depend on the precedence of operator. It is totally depend on the priority of operator. According to the priority, you have to execute or you have to convert the expression. According to the priority, you have to select the particular operator first. So now we'll see the priority precedences, or we can the priority or precedence of operator. Now here we can see. So in mathematical expressions, mostly we need these expressions. These operators we require. Okay, rest of the operators will be having the priority, but we are not using these operators in conversion of expressions. So you have to concentrate on these operators, arithmetic operators. Now these are the operators we will get in the expression. Okay, so the very first priority is given to the parentheses. सबसे पहला जो priority होता है वो parentheses को होता है, brackets को होता है. कोई भी expression अगर दिया है आपको, तो you need to convert this expression or you need to solve this expression. So first of all, you have to solve the brackets. You have to solve the parentheses. First of all, you need to solve the parentheses first. अगर आपके expression में brackets दिया हुआ, for example, a plus b minus c in bracket d plus f, bracket complete, minus g. So आपके एक्सप्रेशन में क्या ऑपरेटर्स आया है आपका ब्रैकेट्स. सो अगर आपके एक्सप्रेशन में ब्रैकेट्स आते हैं, पैरेंथेसिस आते हैं, you need to solve that parenthesis first. Okay, that means you need to solve that parenthesis first. For example, here you can see. Now in this example, in the very first example, you can see. Suppose the expression is given like this: 20 plus 3 plus 12 plus 8 divide by 4 into 3. So here which type of operators are given? हमारे पास यहाँ पे एक ब्रैकेट है, ब्रैकेट ऑपरेटर एक है, बाद में प्लस है, बाद में प्लस है, then again we have a division, again we have a multiplication. So in this example, the brackets are given. So always you need to solve the bracket first. So हमेशा पहले हमें bracket solve करना होता है. So brackets is having the highest priority. Bracket के अंदर अगर bracket होगा, bracket inside the bracket, so inner bracket will be executed first. अगर आपके पास दो ब्रैकेट है, एक ब्रैकेट है और उसके अंदर फिर से एक ब्रैकेट है. फॉर एग्जांपल एक ब्रैकेट है, ब्रैकेट के अंदर a plus b, अगेन इनर ब्रैकेट है c into d, ब्रैकेट कंप्लीट. So c into d you have to evaluate first. After that you have to add with the previous one. It means that the parenthesis or bracket is having the first priority. You need to solve the bracket first. ब्रैकेट के अंदर ब्रैकेट होगा, ब्रैकेट के फिर से इनर साइड में अगर ब्रैकेट होगा, you need to solve the inner bracket first and then outer. Okay. After that, so bracket solve होने के बाद the next priority is given to the exponential operator. Next priority is given to the exponential operator. यानी पावर वाला सिंबल जिसको हम लोग बोलते हैं, exponential symbol. So many times what happens? So exponential symbol, this one, this is your exponential symbol. ये आपका exponential symbol हो सकता है, ठीक है. After that, this one, arrow symbol जिसको बोलते हैं, ये आपका arrow जिसको बोलते हैं. In sometimes confuse करने के लिए arrow symbol भी आपको दिया जा सकता है, and sometimes the dollar symbol. ठीक है, suppose इस तरीके से आपका एक dollar symbol दिया, ठीक है. It means that exponential can be noted in three different symbols. That is a power symbol. Then this one is your power symbol. This one is your arrow symbol, and this one is your dollar symbol. So these are the three different symbols to represent the exponential operator. That means अगर आपके particular expression में brackets है, उसके बाद अगर power आता है, power symbol आता है, so you need to solve the power. You need to evaluate the power. You need to give a choice to powers. Very second. Okay. So exponential is having the second priority. Okay. After that, the next one is multiplication, division, and modulus. Now multiplication, division, and modulus. Here little bit confusion is there. Okay. So always keep in your mind multiplication, division, and modulus. These three operators are having the same priority. Multiplication, division, and modulus. ये तीनों जो ऑपरेटर्स है इसको सेम priority, ठीक है. बट सेम priority है अगर आपके एक्सप्रेशन में मल्टीप्लिकेशन भी है, डिवीजन में मॉडुलस भी है. सपोज फॉर एग्जांपल a into b divided by c modulus of t. So which operation we will take first? Because all the three operators are having the same priority. multiplication भी है, division भी है, modulus भी है, and all three operators are having the same priority. So which operator you have to execute it first? So whenever we are going to execute or convert expression from left to right, so left to right जब आप convert करते हो expression को या evaluate करते हो, तो multiplication, division, modulus में से पहले जो आया उसको आप पहला priority दो. That means अगर multiplication पहले आया तो you need to solve multiplication. Division पहले आया तो you need to solve division first. Modulus पहले आया तो modulus आपको first preference देना पड़ेगा. ठीक है? So always keep in your mind when your particular expression is having multiplication, division, and modulus operators. So you have to choose a operator as per the sequence. Okay, that is multiplication first है, so you choose multiplication. But division first है, you need to choose the division. But modulus first है, you need to choose the modulus. तीनों में से जो पहला ऑपरेटर आएगा उसको आपको पहले कंसीडर करना है. दैट मींस जस्ट सिंपल एग्जांपल a into b plus c, सॉरी a into b plus c डिवाइड बाय d. अब यहाँ पे into भी है, प्लस भी है, डिवाइड भी है. सो into प्लस डिवाइड में से पहले क्या परफॉर्म होगा? into है, प्लस है, डिवाइड है. सो into एंड डिवाइड आर बोथ आर हैविंग द सेम प्रायोरिटी. So into पहले आया हुआ, multiplication पहले आया हुआ है, so you need to select multiplication first, then divide, then addition. Got it? We'll take another example. Suppose if we have a divided by b into c, a divide b into c. So there are two operators, divide भी है, multiplication भी है. So which operator you need to select first? You need to select division first, क्योंकि division पहले आया हुआ. So multiplication, division, and modulus, all these three are having the same priority. Okay, so it depends on the sequence कौन सा operator आपका पहले आया, because we are convert or we have to solve the expression from left to right. जब आप left to right expression को scan करते हो, तो जो operator आपका पहले आया, you have to give a preference to that particular operator. After that, addition, subtraction. So addition, subtraction, it is also the same priority. Addition and subtraction. Plus minus same priority. Okay, again the same rule, left to right. Plus अगर पहले आया तो first of all you need to choose plus. अगर subtraction पहले आया, minus पहले आया, you need to select minus. It means that suppose a plus b minus c, so you need to select plus first. A plus b पहले परफॉर्म करो, बाद में वो उसको c के साथ आप subtract करेंगे. Similarly, suppose if the answer is suppose the expression is a minus b plus c. So you need to select minus first. You need to select minus first because plus and minus both are having the same priority. Plus minus में से जो पहले आएगा वो आपको पहले evaluate करना है. But suppose if the particular expression are having the multiple same operator in the sense, suppose if the expression is a plus b plus c, a plus b plus c, दो बार plus आया होगा, तो which you have to take first? जो पहले आया, you have to take that one. Whatever operator come first, you have to select that one. That is a plus b plus c. So a plus b you have to solve. Then जो भी result आएगा उसी के साथ आपको add करना. Suppose a into b into c. So a into b first of all you need to solve. After that जो भी आपको आएगा expression उसको आपको c के साथ multiply करना है. So likewise you have to use the precedence of operator or hierarchy of operation. Which operations you need to perform. Okay, so the arithmetic operators are very important. Okay, after that relation operator, that is equal, assignment operator, less than greater than symbol, less than equal to symbol, less than greater than equal to symbol. All relation operators have the equal precedence. It is depend on the we can say the expression which operations you need to select first. After that, not and these are the different logical operations. So first is going to not, second is going to add, and third is going to or. So these are the different types of operators are having the we can say priority or we can say precedence. Now we'll see the simple example. Okay, suppose the example is given as likewise. Suppose यहाँ पे evaluation दिया हुआ. Now you have to evaluate the expression. Suppose the expression is given as 20 plus 3 plus 12 plus 8 divided by 4 into 3. Now you can see here. In this example, you can see, okay, 20 plus 3 plus 12 plus 8 divided by 4 into 3. So now, how many operators are given? एक तो है आपके पास ब्रैकेट मिला हुआ है, दिस इज योर फर्स्ट ऑपरेटर, ओके, ब्रैकेट है, देन प्लस है, देन प्लस है, देन डिवीजन है, देन मल्टीप्लिकेशन, ठीक है. So which you need to perform first? So always according to the precedence, you need to solve bracket first. So bracket को solve करना है, so 20 plus 3, ठीक है, so ये 23 आ गया यहाँ पे. Now the rest of the expression is as it is. पहले आपने ये solve किया, ठीक है, उसके बाद rest of the operators as it is, 12 plus 8 divided by 4 into 3. Now अभी क्या क्या है हमारे पास? प्लस है, डिवाइड डिवीजन है एंड मल्टीप्लिकेशन. So which you need to select, ठीक है. So multiplication and division are having the same priority. दोनों में से पहले कौन सा है? Division आया हुआ. So you need to solve this one. 8 divided by 4. So second time आपने ये solve किया. So you will get a 4. You will get a value 2. So answer is 23 plus 12 plus 2 into 3. Now अभी क्या क्या बचा हमारे पास? एक प्लस है, दूसरा प्लस है and multiplication. So plus plus multiplication में से which is having the highest priority? Multiplication. So you need to solve this one now. That is 2 into 3 you need to solve. ये वाला आपको सॉल्व करना पड़ेगा. You get answer 6. Now 23 plus 12 plus 6. Now how many operators are there? 2 plus plus. दो बार प्लस आया. So which you have to take first? The first operator, whatever operator that is जो पहले आया है उसको हम लोग फर्स्ट टाइम लेंगे. That means प्लस प्लस दो बार आया. So ये वाला फर्स्ट जो आया उसको पहले लेंगे. That is 23 plus 12. We need to solve it. So we got the 35. Now plus 6. Now finally we have a single operator that is plus. So finally we get a 45. So such a type of operator or such type of solving methods, you can say it is an evaluation of expression because we have solved it. हमने इसको solve किया हुआ है. Okay, इसको बोलते हैं evaluation. It is not a conversion. Conversion means you need to convert the expression. Infix to prefix, prefix to postfix, prefix to infix, postfix to infix. It means just you have to convert it. You don't have to solve it. Okay, and this one is evaluation. After that, this one is the second example you can see. So x is equal to example we have 4 divided by 2 plus 8 into 4 minus 5 plus 2 mod of 3. Okay. Now you can see over here. In this example, in the second example here, how many operators are there? Division plus multiplication minus then bracket then modulus. Okay. Now which you have to take first? कौन सा operator हम लोग पहले लेंगे? So first of all, you need to always solve the brackets. You need to solve brackets. So 5 plus 2. Okay, 5 plus 2 हमने solve कर लिया. After that, 5 plus 2 solve करने के बाद the answer is 7. ठीक है. After that, आपको आंसर यहाँ पे 7 आ गया. Now अभी क्या क्या बचा हुआ है हमारे पास? Division है, plus है, into है, minus है, and modulus है. So division plus into और modulus minus में से first कौन सा आएगा? Your division, multiplication and modulus are having the same priority. लेकिन इसमें से पहला ऑपरेटर कौन सा है? That is division. So you need to take first division. Division करेंगे. So division करने के बाद 4 divided by 2 you get the answer 2. ठीक है. Now आपके पास क्या क्या बचा हुआ है? Plus multiplication minus and division. Sorry, modulus plus multiplication minus and modulus. इसमें से first कौन सा evaluate होगा फिर? Which operator you have to take? That is multiplication. So you need to select this one. ये आपका select हो जाएगा. After that, the answer is 32. Now, how many remaining? That is plus, minus, or modulus. So plus, minus, modulus में से कौन सा operator पहले execute होगा? That is modulus. So you need to solve modulus first. ठीक है? So modulus solve हो जाएगा. Then how many operators are remaining? Remaining are plus and minus. So plus and minus में से पहले क्या होगा? Plus होगा. So you need to solve plus 34. So finally, आपका एक minus operator बचा हुआ है. So you will finally get the answer x is equal to 32. So likewise, you have to evaluate the expression using the precedence of operator. So while evaluating the expression, you have to always concentrate on precedence of operator, as well as whenever you are going to convert the expression infix to prefix, a prefix to postfix, at that time also you have to concentrate on priority or you can say precedence of operator. Conversion भी करते तो आपको precedence of operator का ध्यान रखना पड़ेगा. You have to concentrate on the precedences. Okay, according to the precedences of operator, you have to convert the expression. Okay, so likewise, we have to evaluate the expression along with the help of precedence of operators. So hope so everybody understood the concept of expression, types of expression, what is infix expression, prefix expression, and postfix expression, and how to evaluate the expression. Okay. So with this, thank you one and all. Thank you. Thanks for watching this video.